Okay, so we have a fraction. That means instead of dividing, I'm multiplying everything, and I switch that fraction around. I flip it. So I'm multiplying everything by 3. Multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. Okay, I'm going to write my answer at the bottom because I don't have room. These go away. 3 times -1 is -3x. That's just like our example. And this is the different number. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, this is my expression for my table. X, y, expression, -3x plus 9. Pick my x values. We're all going to use 0, 1, 2. Plug them in. Oops, not parentheses yet. -3, parentheses, plus 9. Plugging in a 0 for x. Anything times 0 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. My first ordered pair is 0, 9. Next, -3, parentheses, plus 9. Plug in a 1. -3 plus 9 is 6. Second ordered pair is 1, 6. Last, -3, parentheses, plus 9. This time we're plugging in a 2 for x. We get -6 plus 9 is +3. That's my last ordered pair. Graph it. 0, 9 is here. 1, 6, 1 to the right, 6 up. 2, 3, 2 to the right, 3 up. Connect it. Make it a long line with arrows. Now, is this a positive or a negative slope? You should have said negative. It's going down and to the right. This is a negative slope. Okay, let's try practice problem 2. How you did. All right, this one, it says 2y, okay? So it's not a fraction, so we just divide. Everything gets divided by 2. So now I just have that y, which is what I want. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Don't forget the x. There's a minus sign. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Label it x, y. Expression goes in the middle. 1x minus 5. Pick our x values. We're all going to use the same ones, so we have the same numbers. Plug it in. 1, parentheses, minus 5. What are we plugging in first? A 0. Anything times 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is -5. First point, 0, -5. Second line, 1, parentheses, minus 5. This time we're plugging in a 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 minus 5 is a -4. Hopefully you didn't say 4. Second ordered pair, when x is 1, y is -4. Last point, 1, parentheses, minus 5. This time we're plugging in a 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 5 is -3. Last ordered pair, when x is 2, y is -3. Let's see if you graphed it correctly. 0, -5 is down here. 1, -4, 1 to the right, 4 down. 2, -3, 2 to the right, 3 down. Connect it. Make sure your line is long and has arrows. And this one is a positive slope. This line is going up and to the right. That was it. Try practice problems 3 and 4 and then check the video to see how you do.